carboxylic acid. Okay, so what is the first functional group means here? Carboxylic acid. So how we can represent the carboxylic acid? How we can represent the carboxylic acid? So carboxylic acid can be represented with COOH. Okay, so what is the prefix of the carboxylic acid, ma?
Carboxy.
Very good, ma. Carboxy. And what is the suffix of the carboxylic acid?
Oic acid.
Oic acid.
Oic acid. So now everybody are having clarity, na? Now first I'll start with simple one here. Okay, so first I'll go with here HCOOH. So what is the IUPAC name of the given compound? Okay, so whenever they had given this kind of structures, means first we have to check out the number of carbon atoms in a row. But first we have to select the longest chain. Okay, whatever the rules and regulations we studied for the alkenes, same rules also we are applying here. Okay, so first we have to select the longest chain. Okay, longest chain is represented as a number of carbon atoms in a parental chain. So how many carbon atoms are there in a parental chain? How many carbon atoms are there, ma, in the given structure?
1.
1. So 1 means what is the root word?
Meth.
Meth, ma. Very good, ma. Veda. Okay, so meth is the root word. And the given compound is saturated or unsaturated?
Saturated.
Saturated. So when we can say the given compound is unsaturated?
So
Double bond and triple
double or
bond.
triple bond.
Very good, ma. If the carbon-carbon double bond or triple bond means that we can call as unsaturated. Remaining part is a saturation only. Okay, saturation means what is the suffix of the saturated? Saturation?
8.
ANE, ma. ANE. Okay, saturation means ANE. In that one, E is replaced by, okay, in this one, E is replaced by the suffix of the carboxylic acid. What is the suffix of the carboxylic acid?
Oic acid.
Very good, ma. Oic acid. Oic acid. So then, what is the IUPAC name of the given compound means? Methanoic acid. If you read all together means what is the name you got means here? Methanoic acid. Okay, so what is the IUPAC name of the given compound means methanoic acid. So I'll give one more structure. Okay, so you have to write the IUPAC nomenclature CH3COOH. What is the IUPAC name of the given compound? Any one of you?
Ethanoic acid.
Ethanoic acid. Very good answer. Ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. Okay. Now I'm giving one more example. Aditi, this is your turn. CH3 bond, CH2 bond, COOH. What is the IUPAC name of the given compound?
Propanoic acid.
Very good, ma. Propanoic acid. Propanoic acid. Okay. Next. Veda.
Yes.
Now it is your turn. CH3 bond, CH2 bond, CH2 bond, COOH. What is the IUPAC name of the given compound?
Butanoic acid.
Very good, ma. So it is here butanoic acid. So now we had taken only aliphatic compounds. Now if we take substituents, okay, if I write some substituents means how we can write? First we have to select the longest chain. After that we have to select the branched chain. Okay, our substituents we have to identify. Okay, and after finding out the substituents and functional group has to get as the least numbering. Substituent and functional group has to get as a least numbering. Okay, if the compound is having more than one functional group, in that one functional group it becomes as a major functional group, another one it becomes as a substituent. Okay, so based on that one we will see some of the examples. Okay, for example, first I'm starting with the aliphatic compounds with CH3 bond. So CH bond, CH3 bond, COOH. Okay, so what is the IUPAC name of the given compound? Any one of you? What is the IUPAC name of the given compound? First root word. Root word, how many carbon atoms are there?
So
3.
propane.
One
Propane.
carboxy. One carboxy.
Not one carboxy, Anjan. Functional groups we have to give the first priority. So we can start the numbering from here. 1, 2, 3. So that time methyl it becomes as a substituent. It is a major functional group.
So it's
Well,
methyl propanoic acid.
very good, ma. It is a methyl propanoic acid. But which methyl propanoic acid, Aditya?
Sir, I said right. 2-methyl propanoic acid.
Very good, ma. I didn't listen the two. That's why I'm asking here. Okay. So let us see, sir. First, we have to select the longest chain. Longest chain is containing here more number of carbon atoms. That time we have to consider the functional group also. Okay. Because a functional group, we have to give the least first priority, ma. So that's why we have to start the numbering from the carboxylic acid group. 1, 2, 3. So if it is become as a parental chain means this part it becomes as a substituent. Okay, so methyl group is attaches to which carbon atom? Second carbon atom. If it is attaches to second carbon atom means how we can write as a IUPAC nomenclature means first we have to write the prefix. Prefix, root word, suffix. In this one, what is the prefix means? 2-methyl. Okay, 2-methyl. And what is the root word? Root word is containing the 3 carbon atoms. 3 carbon atoms means root word is pro. Given compound is saturated. Saturated means ene. Okay. And what is the suffix of the carboxylic acid?
Oic acid.
Oic acid. Then if you all together if you read it means you will get the name. 2-methyl propanoic acid. Okay. So 2-methyl propanoic acid. Clear? Next. One more example. CH3 bond, CH bond, here OH bond, CH2 bond COOH. So now you got the clarity. I give one structure. Just 1 second. Hello. Sorry, girl. No. Let us see. So, what is the IUPAC name of the given compound? Any one of you? First of all, total how many functional groups are in the given structure?
2 functional groups.
Very good, Veda. What are the 2 functional groups are there, Veda?
Hydroxy and carboxy.
Okay, so COOH and OH. OH group is called as a alcohol, COOH is called as a carboxylic acid. Aditi, according to the priority order, which it comes first? Either carboxylic acid or alcohol group?
Sir, carboxyl.
Carboxy. So, for which one we have to give the first priority? Carboxy group or alcohol?
Carboxyl.
So, we can start the numbering from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, Anjan, what is the IUPAC name of the given compound? Anjan, what is the IUPAC name of the given compound? What is the prefix we have to write? What is the prefix of the OH group?
Hydroxy.
Hydroxy. Okay. Now first we are writing as a prefix. So what is the prefix means? OH group. So COOH we are considering as a major functional group and OH we can consider as a substituent. What is the
Hydroxybutanoic acid.
very good, Anjan. So what is the IUPAC name of the given compound means? 3-hydroxy 3-hydroxy butanoic acid. Butanoic acid. Okay. And one more question and one more example. Here CH3 bond, CH2 bond, CH bond, C2H5 bond, CH bond, CH3 bond, CH2 COOH. Any one of you can tell me the IUPAC name of the given compound? What is the IUPAC name of the given compound, ma?
Sir, 4-ethyl, 3-methyl,
Okay, 4-ethyl, 3-methyl. Very good, ma.
Hexanoic acid.
Very good, ma. Okay, so what is the IUPAC name of the given compound means here? First, we can start the numbering. So root word is containing the 6 carbon atoms, ma. Root word is containing how many carbon atoms here? 6 carbon atoms. So we have to start the numbering from the carboxylic acid functional group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So given compound is containing more than one substituent. So two are different substituents. So when the compound is containing two different substituents means substituent names we have to write in an alphabetical order. So according to that one, which one it will come first means here 4-ethyl, okay, 4-ethyl, 3-methyl. Root word, how many carbon atoms are there? 6. 6 means what is the root word? X. The given compound is saturated or unsaturated?
Saturated.
So in what is the suffix means? Oic acid. Hexanoic acid. Now one more question I am training. Samhita is joined up. Madhusudan. Okay, now I'm going to one more question. Listen, ma. Question. All of you, do you have lining structure? Because I am very comfortable with the lining structure. It reduce the time. Okay. If you want means I will teach also, no problem. First I'll write the structures, lining structures. So this is the compound. What is the IUPAC name of the compound? Any one of you. You will try now. Until that I'll write one more structure also.
Sir, that is MO2.
NO2, ma. It's not the MO2. Nitro group. NO2.
Okay.
NO2. Right, ma. What is the answer? Anjan?
Is it 4-chloro, 3-nitro, hexa dioic acid? Wow, no, like 1,4 hexa dioic acid.
Hexadioic acid is correct, but 4-chloro, you are telling that what is the 4-chloro?
4-chloro, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Numbering is
3.
missing.
Okay,
Anjan, name is correct only.
3-chloro,
Very
3-chloro,
good.
4-nitro.
3-chloro, 4-nitro. So because of from this side if you start means 1, 2, 3. If you start from here means 1, 2, 3. So whenever the both are in same positions means we have to check it out in alphabetical order. Na? Next priority we have to give into the alphabetical order. According to the alphabetical order, nitro will come first or chlorine will come first? Chlorine. So that's why we can give the numbering from this side. So from left to right, we have to give the numbering. So 1, 2, 3, this is the 4, and this is the 5, this is the 6. Okay, now numbering is finished. Now while writing the substituent names, we have to write in alphabetical order. What is first we can write means 3-chloro, 3-chloro, and 4 nitro, 4 nitro, and root for how many carbon atoms are there? 6. 6 means we can write as a hex. Okay, given compound is saturated and A. But how many carboxylic acids are there in this one?
2.
2. What is the position of the carboxylic acids?
1,6.
Very good, ma'am. Okay, so 1,6 dioic acid. 1,6 dioic acid. So all of you got the clarity? Still anyone you having doubt about this one? Aditi, Anjan, Sriveda, Madhusudan. Okay, all of you got the clarity?
Yes, sir.
Madhusudan is not responding. Madhu, day 1 onwards is not responding. And if you finish this one, is go for the next one. KNSV Madhusudan. Madhusudan, can you speak a few words?
Yes, sir.
Oh. In which school you are studying?
Narayana.
Narayana. Okay. Most probably all are Telugu people only, yeah?
I'm not.
Aditi, except Aditi. Okay. Okay. So remaining all are Hyderabadi locals, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. I can find. I know Telugu also. I'm also from Telugu only. I'm also from Hyderabad.
Oh.
Okay, so don't worry. Now, so what is the answer for this one? Madhu, can you try for this answer?
Sir, I got the answer.
Very good, Aditi. So come on.
Sir, 3-iodo, pentene, 2-ene, oic acid.
The iodo,
Pentene,
which in number we have to mention now? Which in? Sorry.
2-ene, oic acid.
Very good, ma. So pent, 2 in,
Oic acid.
1 weak acid also we can write, and weak acid also we can write. Okay, 1 weak acid also we can write. Sometimes we can write as a 2 pentene weak acid also we can write. Okay, now you got the clarity. So what is the name of the compound means? First we have to select the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In root word we have a 5 carbon atoms. At the same time, compound is containing the 2 functional groups. One is the alkene functional double bond and carboxylic acid. So carboxylic acid we have to take as the first priority. Okay, and iodine is the substituent. What is the position of the iodine means here? 3-iodo, and root word is containing the 5 carbon. That's why I wrote as a pen. Given compound is unsaturation. Okay, what is the position of the unsaturated site means least number we have to take, not in the highest number. So in 2 and 3, what is the least number means 2. So pen to 2 in and 1 weak acid. Clear? So can I give one more structure? Then we'll go for the next functional group.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll give one more structure, then we'll go for the next functional group. So finally, again, I'll give some structures all together. Okay, now we are checking as a functional group wise. Next. What is the impact of the given compound? Once again, I'll change the functional group. Already wrote the hydroxy, na? I'll change the functional group. I'll give us amine functional group NH2. Any one of you. From which direction we can start the numbering, ma? First of all.
The carboxylic acid from there.
Very good, ma. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms are there. Next. Given compound is saturated or unsaturated?
Unsaturated.
Unsaturated.
What are the substituents are there?
So methyl is there and one double bond and one.
Amine.
Okay. So we're writing the IUPAC name. Okay. Methyl and amine group. Which one it will come first?
Sir,
Amino.
Very good, ma. What is the prefix of the amine functional group?
Amino.
Amine. Okay. So hence we can write as a 5-amino,
3-methyl,
3-methyl,
pent,
Pent. 2,5.
and 4.
not 2,5, ma. Why you are writing as a 2,5, ma? 2
Sir,
only. 2E.
and 4
Very good. And 4-ine
oic acid.
oic acid. Now you got the clarity, all of you, how to write the IUPAC names of the carboxylic if they're having functional groups, if they're having substituent also. Okay. So is that clear for everyone? Anjan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then I'll go for the next functional group now. Okay. Sir, actually all these functional groups, nomenclature part will get in 12th standard. Okay, already you studied 12th standard and 12th standard students are there. They may be studied aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acid chapter. There you may got all this nomenclature part. Okay, right, sir. Next I'm going for, sir, ester functional group. Okay, so what is the next functional group I'm taking means here, ester functional group. Sir, what is the general formula of the esters, sir? How we can represent as esters? R C double bond O R, sir. O R. R C double bond O R. So what is the general representation of the ester functional group means here? R C double bond O R. Okay. In this one, I give some name. How we are writing as a IUPAC nomenclature means IUPAC nomenclature of the esters can be written as alkyl, alkanoate, alkanoate. Okay, sir, in this one, which one we can consider as an alkyl group means the R which is attaches to this part we can call as an alkyl. Anything it will be there. Either it may be smaller the chain or either it may be bigger the chain, also no problem. Okay, but whatever the R is attaches to the carbon single bond oxygen, that part we are considering it is as a alkyl group, and which we can consider as an alkanoate means, sir, this part RCOO, this part we are considering it as a alkanoate. Alkanoate. So now you got the clarity, everyone? Okay, everyone here only they are getting the confusion, ma. So that's why clearly I am writing. So how we can write the IUPAC nomenclature of the esters means here alkyl, alkanoate. Okay, so you don't think about the chain length. Okay, so which one we can consider means we have to consider only functional group. Okay, for example, first I'm write as here HCOOCH3, sir. So what is the IUPAC name of this one means here methyl methanoate, ma. Okay, what is the IUPAC name of the given compound means methyl methanoate. Sir, how you are writing as a methyl methanoate means this is the alkyl group, this one is the ester functional group. According to that one, I am writing as here methyl methanoate. Methyl methanoate. Okay, similarly, okay, if I do CH3 bond, sir, COOCH3, COOCH3. So what is the IUPAC name of the given compound? Any one of you? Anjan, what is the IUPAC name of the given compound?
Ethyl ethanoate.
Come again, Anjan. I didn't hear clearly.
Methyl ethanoate.
Very good, Anjan. Okay, so what is the IUPAC name of the compound means here? Methyl ethanoate. Because of alkyl group is methyl group and alkoxy group is ethyl. The two carbon atoms are there, 1 and 2. Okay, well having the two carbon atoms means that we can take as a eth, and the given functional group is here O8. Hence it becomes as methyl ethanoate. Methyl ethanoate. Methyl ethanoate. Okay, if I write like this, CH3 bond, CH2 bond, COO, C2H5. Sriveda, what is the name of the given compound?
Methyl propanoate.
Very good, ma. Methyl or ethyl, ma?
Ethyl.
Ethyl, ma. So because of C2H5, C2H5 group is called as a ethyl. Hence we can write as a ethyl ethanoate. Ethyl ethanoate, sorry, propanoate. Ethyl propanoate. Ethyl propanoate, ma. Ethyl propanoate. Okay, until here clear everyone. So next, if you're going to change slightly, ma. Okay, if I'll change this one lightly, so that means if I'll take one of the substituent, for example, if I wrote same structure like this CH3 bond, C bond, CH3, H bond, COO, C2H5. How we can write the IUPAC nomenclature of this? How we can write the IUPAC nomenclature? How we can write, sir?
Sir, 1, 1 methyl dimethyl.
1, 1.
Dimethyl.
No, ma. What is the functional group is there? Samgita, today you joined very lately.
I was out.
Okay. You didn't get the information or you got the information?
I got information, so there was an event at school, that's why I was late.
Okay. Right. Sir, what is the IUPAC name of the given compound? In this one, alkyl group is C2H5. And alkanoate group is ma. This part is called as alkanoate. And in this one, this is a major functional group. If it is major functional group also, again we have a complex na. So that time we have to start the numbering from here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. In this one, what is the substituent means methyl group also it is there. If it is having the methyl group, how we can write the IUPAC nomenclature of this kind of compounds means first we can write as alkyl group. What is alkyl group? Ethyl. Okay. And sir, one more substituent also it is there. What is the substituent? It is the methyl group. What is the position of the methyl group means 2. So this we can write as a 2-methyl. 2-methyl. So root word, how many carbon atoms are there? In root word?
3.
3. 3 means root word it becomes as a pro. Okay. Pro. The given compound is saturated. And what is the suffix of the ester functional group means OA. Okay. If you read completely means it becomes as ethyl 2-methyl propanoate. Okay. Now you got the clarity, sir. Can I give one more structure like this?
Yes, sir.
Any one of you, sir. What is the IUPAC name of the given compound? Anjan, Aditi, Samhita, Madhusudan, Sai Akshit is absent. Remaining all are present. Madhu, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
So your 12th standard, sir. Your 11th or 12th, Madhu?
11, sir.
Okay, okay. Then nomenclature is also is there for you. Jivu is completed in Narayana. I think so. It may be completed.
We are in general organic chemistry, sir.
That is only ma. Jivas is nothing but general organic chemistry only. Is going on. Which concept is they are teaching? You got the answer, anyone? Samhita, you got the answer? Aditi? Aditi got the answer or not? Anjan?
Yes, sir.
Oh, what is the answer, Anjan?
So is it 2-ethyl?
2-ethyl. Anjan, it won't come 2-ethyl, Anjan. Numbering is
Three,
missing.
three,
Anjan.
three.
Very good, Anjan. Sir,
4, 5, 6, 5.
3-ethyl.
6 keto.
Before that, one more ethyl also it is there.
Sir,
Ethyl.
right?
Amma. Correct only. Anjan, complete it. You give half answer. Either it may be correct or not. First you try, ma. Openly you can try. What's the problem is that?
Then
Sir,
keto group, I'm thinking fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1,
6.
4,
sir,
5.
there's 5.
Amma. 5 carbon atoms. Root word.
Pent.
Very good. Given compound is saturated or unsaturated?
Saturated.
Saturated means suffix is ane. Okay. And what is the suffix of the ester functional group? This is the full name.
Yes, sir. I got correct.
Anjan, you got it? Anjan, you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Veda, got the answer? Everyone, you got the answer? Then shall I go for the next example?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right, ma'am. Can I explain this one myself? Okay. So I'll explain this one. So you will get us a little bit confusion here. So actually here 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms are there. So total how many carbon atoms are there? 2, 3 carbon atoms are there. So this simplify if you write means here how we can write means CH3 bond CH3 CH group here. Okay. So this part is attaches to the ether functional group. So this part is we can call as a isopropyl. This we can call as a isopropyl, or this is also we can call as a secondary propyl. Secondary propyl. Okay. So this is the alkyl group name. I think so. Remaining as easily you can write. Remaining you can tell. So first alkyl group is we can write as a isopropyl. Okay. Now you got the answer is first here isopropyl. Next, substituent is there. What is the position of the substituent? What is the substituent present in a given complex, given compound? What is the substituent present in a given compound? NH2 ma. So this one is NH2. What is the prefix of the amine functional group? Somebody they are giving answer, but I am unable to hear. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then what is the answer? Already half of the answer I had given. Samhita,
I'm doing it, so 1 second.
Aditi, finished?
Isopropyl
Isopropyl.
3 amino
So
Very
now
good.
I'll
3 amino.
pentene.
pent
Pent 2 in oic acid.
2 in. It's not the weak acid, na?
O8, sorry.
OE, my dear. Okay. Pent
O8.
2 in. Oh, yeah. Okay. So 2 pentene, pentenoate match it. Okay. 2 pentenoate. If you write simplified clearly means, so you'll get as a isopropyl 3 amino pent 2 in O8 is the correct IUPAC nomenclature. Okay. So now you got the clarity. Okay. Then I'll go for the next functional group. Okay. Next, what is the functional group will go means here, sir. And what is the next functional group? It is that acid halides and acid amides. We can see it later. Ma. All those are the acid derivatives, but they are not giving more number of questions here. Okay, so directly we'll go for the cyanides. Cyanides. So nitrile functional group that we can call as a nitrile functional group. Okay. So what are the examples for the nitrile functional group means? So already you know how we are going to represent the nitrile functional group means CN. What is the prefix? Prefix of the cyanide and suffix. Madhusudan, what is the prefix of the cyanide group? What is the prefix of the cyanide group, ma? 1 second. What is the prefix of the cyanide group? What is the prefix of the cyanide group? You studied or not, guys?
cyano.
Cyanoma. Okay, so prefix of the cyanide group is here, cyano.
And suffix is nitrile.
Nitrile, very good. It is nitrile. Okay, so now you got the clarity.
And for
So,
NC, it's isocyanide and isonitrile.
Isonitrile, man. Okay, NC is nothing but isocyanide. Okay, and that we can take as here isonitrile. And prefix also we can call as a carbylamine. NC is nothing. What is the prefix of the NC means carbylamine. Okay. Now, so we'll write some structures. So HCN. So what is the IUPAC name of this one? What is the IUPAC name of the HCN? How many carbon atoms are there in a given structure?
So 1.
1. So 1 means root word. Meth. Given compound is saturated or unsaturated?
Saturated.
Saturated means AN. And what is the prefix?
Cyano.
Suffix.
So
Nitrile.
nitrile.
Nitrile. So methane nitrile. Ethane nitrile is the IUPAC name. For example, if they had given CH3 bond CN, so what is the IUPAC name of this one?
Ethane nitrile.
Very good one. Ethane nitrile. Ethane nitrile. Okay. And if they had given CH3 bond CH bond CH3 bond CN, so what is the IUPAC name of the given compound?
2-methyl ethane nitrile.
2
Methyl
2-methyl.
ethane propane nitrile.
Very good, ma. Propane nitrile. Propane nitrile. Okay, so like that only you will get the IUPAC nomenclature, ma. So then a little bit faster I can move here. Then we'll go for the next functional group. What is the next functional group it is having here? So we have an aldehyde, ma. Okay, so we have an aldehyde functional group. Aldehyde functional group. Aldehydes and ketones you are getting as more number of steps, more number of questions here. Okay, aldehyde. So what is how we are going to represent the aldehyde? CH2. Okay, so it's left. Samhita is left. Ma. So what is the prefix of the aldehyde functional group?
Formal.
Prefix. Anjan, formyl. Very good, Anjan. Prefix is formyl. Okay, and what is the suffix?
Al.
AEL, ma. Okay, now you got the clarity, na? So now first structure I'll write. Lastly, HCH2. What is the IUPAC name? CH3 CH4. Okay, and CH3 bond CH2 bond CH4. Bond I'm writing. So you have to give the answer. I'll write the answers. If you tell the answers means I'll write.
Sir, first one is methanol.
First one is
Methanol.
very good, ma. Methanol. AEL last. Next. Second one.
Ethanol.
Second one is ethanol. Right. Next.
Third one is propanol.
Third one is propanol. Next.
2-hydropropanol.
Come again. Hydro or hydroxy?
Hydroxypropanol.
Which hydroxy, ma?
2-hydroxy.
Very good, Veda. So 2-hydroxy propanol. 2-hydroxy propanol. Okay, and I'm giving some other structures. So what are the some other structures means here? What is the IUPAC name of the given compound?
Three-methyl
3-methyl
pent 2-ene
pent 2-ene
1
Hmm.
all.
1-all. Is it correct, Aditi? 3-methyl pent 2-ene 1-all. Is this correct? What is the next IUPAC name of the given compound, ma? What is the answer? Sir, first of all, numbering, you may get the doubt here. I think so. We have a 2 aldehyde functional group. While having the 2 aldehyde functional group means here, root word we have to take as a aldehyde to aldehyde, ma. We have to take as a aldehyde to aldehyde. That means at the same time we have to check it out the number of substituents also. Substituent has to get as a least numbering. So according to that one, if you see means here one ethyl group is there, here one nitro group is there. Okay, so that's why I'm starting numbering from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 month. Okay, and what are the substituents are there in this one?
Ethyl,
Ethyl and nitro group also. Okay, ethyl and nitro. If you see in alphabetical order, which it will come first?
ethyl,
Ethyl. So what is the position of the ethyl?
2 ethyl,
2 ethyl,
4 nitro,
4 nitro,
hexane,
hexane.
1,
Correct only, ma'am.
1,6 all.
1,6 diol. 2 aldehyde groups are there. So 2 aldehyde groups that we can call as here. So diol. Okay. So what is the complete name means here? 2 ethyl, 4 nitro, hexane 1,6 diol. Okay. And I'm going to write one structure based on this one, which I had seen some previous paper or somewhere. Madhusudan, this question is this question is for you. Madhusudan, total how many functional groups are there in a given structure? The number of functional groups present in a given structure. Madhu. So Madhu, what the number of functional groups present in a given compound? Madhu is not responding. Then Samhita. Samhita, number of functional groups present in a given compound.
Sir, 3.
3, very good, ma. So what are the functional groups are there, ma? Can you tell me the names?
Sir, it's amide,
Okay, very good.
ketone, and aldehyde.
Very good, ma. So amine functional group, ketone functional group, and aldehyde functional group it is there. Okay. And who's going to tell the answer for this one? IUPAC nomenclature of the given compound?
Can I try?
Yeah, Veda. Right.
Sir, 2 ethyl,
2?
ethyl,
No, ma. So the 2 ethyl. First priority order. So this is the longest chain.
yes,
Okay. Longest chain is containing how many carbon atoms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms are there. Okay, and the remaining according to the priority order, aldehyde is the first. For that one we have to give the first priority to the aldehyde. From there we are starting the numbering, and substituent functional group has to get as a least number. Okay, what are the other functional groups are there? Means ketone functional group it is there, and amine functional group is there. Okay, the two are they act as a substituent. substituent has to get as a least number. If you start the numbering from this side means you will get as a big number. So that's why we are starting from this side only. And that is also we have to do the first priority to the functional group. Okay. Now you got the clarity with the
Yes, sir.
okay. Now already numbering also finished. Everything is finished. Now you are able to write the name. So can you try one?
3 amino,
3 amino,
2 keto,
3 amino. Oxo we can write. Keto also we can write and oxo also we can write. Sometimes to make you confused, they are writing as a 2 oxo also. Okay. So 2 oxo also we can write. 2 keto also we can write. Correct, amma. 2 keto or 2 oxo.
pentanol.
Pentanol. Very good. Samhita, what is the IUPAC name of the given compound? This one.
1 second, sir.
You're trying? Okay. And Anjan, what is the IUPAC name of the lost compound? Then we'll go for the next functional group. Anjan, last one IUPAC. Aditi or Anjan. This one is CCl3. If you want clear structure means, so this one aldehyde ketone structure it is there. Cl, 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 bond, CHO.
Sir, is it 2 chloro hex E 4 il?
No, somewhere is missing, ma. It's not the 2 chloro. So numbering first priority we have to give the aldehyde functional
Oh,
group.
yeah,
Na?
sorry, sir. 1, 2,
1,
5,
2,
5 chloro.
3,
4,
4,
4, 4.
5. Okay. Now you can tell me the name. Samhita, now
4
we
chloro.
very good.
4 chloro.
4 chloro.
Butene.
One more is there. Here one branch is there. So this is the methyl group is there.
Sir, why can't we include that as 1?
Which one?
As
We
for-
can't take it as a 1 mark. So because of this is the root word. In this direction we are taking as a root word. That time it becomes as a substituent only now.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. If you are taking in this manner, L shape you are taking. So that time this one it becomes as a substituent. If it is substituent means substituent name also we have to write now. So 4 chloro, 2 methyl, and root word. Now you tell me. Root word. What is the root word?
Pentene.
Which in ma? 2 in or 3 in?
3. No, 2 in. 2 in.
2 in ma. Least number you have to tell. Okay. 2 in.
2 in. I'll 1 I'll.
1 al. Okay. Now you got the clarity. Next Anjan.
Yes, sir.
Correct now. Samhita, very good. Anjan,
Yes, sir.
what is the answer for the last one?
It's chloromethanol.
No. I'm asking IUPAC. I'm not asking the common name. Common name is here chloral. What is the common name of this one means here? Chloral. So what is the IUPAC name I'm asking? We are discussing about the IUPAC names. With me, this one means little bit fast means I'll go for the cyclic compounds also. I'll teach the cyclic compounds also today only. First priority, Anjan, aldehyde group. Second one is the carbon. We have a root word 2 carbon atoms. And second carbon is surrounded by how many chlorine atoms?
3.
3. How we connect the IUPAC name? 2 comma 2 comma 2. So 3 means what is the word you will get? Trichloro and root word. How many carbon atoms are there?
2.
2. So 2 means air. The given compound is saturated or unsaturated?
Saturated.
Saturated. And what is the suffix?
All.
All. So that is the IUPAC name. 2 comma 2 comma 2 trichloroethanol. Now you got the clarity, Anja?
Sir.
Okay, right, sir. So then we'll go for another functional group, ketone functional group. Okay. Come on fast, Bima. So number ketone. First of all, how are you going to represent the ketone? C double bond O. What is the prefix of the ketone? Prefix.
Keto or oxa.
Very good one. Keto or oxo. Okay. And suffix. Suffix.
On.
One.
Own one. Very good, Sapita. Okay. Very few questions only directly I'll write here. Yeah. CH3 bond, C double bond O, CH3. So what is the IUPAC name of this one? It is the simplest ketone one. It is the simplest ketone. Okay. You can try my answers. I'm writing the structures just.
Sir, first one is propanol.
First one is
Propanol.
propanol. But you have to tell the number which propanol because of ketone functional group. What is the position of the ketone functional group? Either it is the first carbon atom, second carbon atom, or third carbon atom. While writing the IUPAC nomenclature, position of the functional group or here substituent compulsory we have to represent with the number 1, 2, 3. What is it? What is the IUPAC name? We told the correct only. But what is the correct?
2 on.
2 1. 2 propanone also correct one only. 2 propanone. Next, Aditi. What is the IUPAC name of the given compound? Second example, Aditi. Anjan, you also can write second example.
3-methyl
3-methyl. Very good, Anjan.
3-methyl but 2 butone.
Very good, Anjan. Very good, Anjan.
2 butanol.
3-methyl. 2 butanone also we can write, Anjan. In short form, we can write as a 2-butanone also we can write. 2-butanone. Or butane 2-one also we can write. Okay, butane 2 also it is correct only. 3-methyl 2-butanone also it is correct only, ma. Okay. Next, Aditi. Aditi becomes slow. Aditi, are you trying or not?
Sir, I got the answer.
Okay, then. So what is the next answer, ma? Aditi. What is the next IUPAC name of the next compound? Come on, Aditi.
Sir, 4-chloro, 3-methyl, 2-butanol.
4-chloro,
3-methyl,
3-methyl,
2-butanol.
3-methyl, 2-butanol. Is it correct? All of you? Right now. Next one. Okay. So what is the next one?
Sir, but 3 on.
But,
But 3 on.
but, 3
On.
Which one? What is the position of the ketone functional group?
Sir, 2.
Ma, 1. Sorry, we have to start from here. We have to start from here only. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 3, 4 means but 3 2 on. Because of ketone functional group is present at second carbon atom. So that's why we can write as but 3 2 on. And what is the next one? I'm trying to make you practice for the more structures. Other than that, nothing it is there. Okay. So that's why I'm spending more time. I'm giving more number of examples to you. If you practice, if you become perfect means, then it is good for you also.
Sir, the next one is 3-methyl, 1 hydroxy,
3-methyl, 1-hydroxy. Amma, H or M it will come first. Alphabetical order missing, Maria. I mean,
Okay.
Aditi.
Yeah, I forgot.
Alphabetical order is missing, ma. You're correct only, but alphabetical order is missing.
Sir, 1 hydroxy,
Yeah,
3-methyl,
very good. 1-hydroxy, 3-methyl,
2-pentanol.
3-methyl, pentane,
2-pentanol.
2-pentanol. Samita, what is the answer for the last one? Samita, Sriveda.
Yes, sir, 1 second.
Yeah, you can do now. So last moment, who's this? Sai Akshit. Sai Akshit. Forgot the timing. Almost all so many concepts are missed, Sai Akshit. Anjan, you got the answer? Any one of you got the answer or not?
Trying, sir.
Trying Veda. Okay. Try Veda. So trying only is required to me. So trying means at least I'm happy. Anjan got the answer.
doing.
Try it. This previous mains question mark. In mains paper, I had seen this question somewhere.
Sir, what's the root word, sir? Is it pent or hept?
You can find. Root word is maximum number of carbon atoms. Wherever you are getting as a maximum number of carbon atoms, that is only becomes as a root word, Aditi. Aditi, you got the point?
Yes, sir.
Wherever you are getting the more number of carbon atoms in a chain, that only becomes as a parental chain, and that is only we can call as a root word.
Sir, can I say the answer? Like, can I try?
Yeah, ma'am. No problem.
Sir, 4-ethyl.
Sir, I got the answer too.
1 second. Ma'am. One. Veda, come again. 4.
Sir, 1 minute.
Sir, 3-ethyl, 4-methyl,
Good, ma'am. 3 ethyl,
4-methyl,
4 methyl,
hept,
hept,
5-ene, 2-one.
5 2 1. Very good, ma'am.
Sir, same
Fine.
answer.
Same answer. Very good, Veda. Well tried. Anjan, what about you also got same answer?
No, sir, I did a mistake.
You did a mistake. Samhita,
Same answer, sir. And
same
by
answer. Very
accident
good.
took hexenes. Instead of taking hept, I took hex. But
Okay. Now let us see, ma'am. So actually, first we have to select the long chain. Okay. First we have to select the longest chain one. So longest chain or parental chain or root word means it contains the maximum number of carbon atoms. If you start the numbering from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. In this direction, if you take means we have only 5 carbon atoms. But if you take this side means here 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 carbon atoms we are getting in the parental chain. Okay. So and first priority we have to give the functional group. In this one, what is the functional group means here? Ketone. So that's why functional group has to get as a least numbering. Due to that reason only, I had given the numbering from left to right. Okay. Now according to that one, at third position, ethyl substituent is there. At fourth position, methyl substituent is there. So while writing the IUPAC name, 3-ethyl, 4-methyl, heptane, 5-ene-2-1 is the correct answer. So who are they tried? So very good one. Okay. Almost all everyone did that. Very good. Okay, and so can I take some cyclic compounds? IUPAC nomenclature of the cyclic compounds. Shall we go for the cyclic compounds, ma? All of you?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so we'll see cyclic compounds also. The remaining functional groups already simple, only alcohol only is that you know here how to write, and like this only we can write the IUPAC nomenclature of the alcohols also. Okay, so now we will mix some functional groups, and first we will write the IUPAC nomenclature of the cyclic compounds. Okay, IUPAC of cyclic compounds. IUPAC of cyclic compounds. Okay, right. Now here, so cyclic is primary prefix or secondary prefix, ma? Any one of you? So because of while discussing the IUPAC nomenclature, I told that to remember the 3 terms: prefix, root word, suffix. Okay, so prefix we have 2 types of the prefix: secondary prefix and primary prefix. Secondary prefixes is represented as a substituents. Primary prefixes represents either the given compound is cyclic or acyclic. Okay, so based on that one, we are seeing some of the names. In this one, first you can check it out. If I wrote like this. Okay, first how many corners are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 corners means it contains the 3 carbon atoms. If 3 carbon atoms are present in a cyclic ring, if it is present in a cyclic ring means how we can write the name?
Cyclopropane.
So
Very good, ma'am. What is the IUPAC name of this one means? Cyclopropane. Okay, so root word is containing 3 carbon atoms. Given compound is saturated and prefix. Okay, primary prefix is cyclo. Hence it becomes as a cyclopropane. For example, if I wrote like this, what is the name? What is the name of this one?
Butane.
Very good, ma'am. Cyclobutane. Okay, if I wrote like this,
cyclopentane.
very good, ma'am. Cyclopentane. 5 carbon atoms mean that we can write as a cyclopentane. Okay, next I'm writing like this.
Cyclohexane.
Very good, ma'am. Cyclohexene. Cyclohexane. Cyclohexane. Now if I write like this. What is the IUPAC name of this one?
1-methyl propane.
1-methyl. Ma 1. Okay, correct only. 1-methyl.
Cyclopropane.
Very good, ma'am. 1-methyl cyclopropane. Next one.
1-2 dimethyl cyclopropane.
Very good, ma'am. 1-2 dimethyl cyclopropane.
So is it ortho dimethyl cyclopropane?
Ortho diclo 1-2 position we can call as ortho. Ortho di. Okay. Ortho dimethyl dimethyl cyclopropane also we can call. But ortho, meta, para positions we can use for only aromatic compounds. And that is also we are using for especially for benzene. Aditi, you got the clarity?
Yes, sir.
Okay, where we are using ortho, meta, para signs and all means especially for benzene. Okay, dihalides of the benzene at all we are using. Okay, next. Now, if I wrote like this, who's going to give the name of this one? But what is the name of this one, man? For which one we will give the first priority? Either ethyl group or methyl group.
Sir?
For which one we can do the first priority in this structure?
Methyl.
Ethyl or ethyl, man? Both are the same position. Both are
Ethyl,
same.
sir.
Ethyl. So why we are giving the first priority to the ethyl group? Alphabetical order. So we can give the priority first 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Hence we can write as here ethyl,
Ethyl, 3-methyl
3-methyl,
butane.
3-methyl,
Cyclobutane.
cyclobutane. Okay. Now the remaining substituents, if anything else is there, I think so you are able to write. Is it right? Some important conditions are there that we will discuss tomorrow. Okay. So what is the IUPAC name of this one? Last one.
Sir, 1-2 dimethyl cyclopentane.
Very good, ma'am. 1-2 dimethyl 2 dimethyl cyclopentane. Okay. Last structure. Let us see who's going to give the answer for this one. Right. What is the IUPAC name of the given compound?
1-ethyl
1-ethyl
3-propyl
3-propyl.
1,3 ethyl.
It's the
Diethyl.
one. Which direction I can give the numbering? In the clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction?
Clockwise.
Clockwise, sir. Clockwise means you substituents will get as a big number.
Sir,
Ma. Please,
anti-clockwise, sir.
Anti-clockwise.
anti-clockwise. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. Okay. These two are single lines, ma. Single line is nothing but methyl group only. Methyl group is attaches to this carbon atom. Okay. Methyl group is attaches to this carbon atom. According to that one, what is
Sir,
IUPAC here?
So is it one ethyl,
Ah.
3,3 dimethyl cyclohexene?
One more is missing, ma. Correct only. Correct only. One more is missing. One in time.
3,3 dimethyl.
Here also it is there. One more methyl is there. Okay.
1,3,3 trimethyl
Very good, ma. 1, 3, trimethyl
cyclohexene.
cyclohexane. Okay.
Hexane, sorry.
Cyclohexane. So based on that one, we have some exception rules are there that we will discuss tomorrow. Okay. So until here, all of you understood now? I think so. Hope so. Everyone, you understood. You tried well. Okay. So now you got some idea about the IUPAC nomenclature, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm going to forward some